This is the new product of solar rechargeable floodlight, 200 watts, and it will be charged automatic at night, and will be charged at the daytime. This is with 24 watts and 18 voltage solar panel. Also, it will be with remote control as new model, and be off, on, function, and it have two colors of LED. This is cold color and it have warm color. Then it will have 2 or 3 working models. This is high brightness, and the working time is about 3 hours, and the lumens is about 2400 lumens. And the middle model, the working time is about 6 hours, and the lumens is about 1200 lumens. And then it have the third model is like this. It have the 2 automatic function, the first 6 hours and the later 6 hours. So the total time is about 12 hours. The first 6 hours, the lumens is about 1700, and the later 6 hours working time, the lumens is about 1300 lumens. So it's our new product of solar rechargeable floodlight.